factory OEM radio with AM, FM, satellite CDs, and media player, but there's no Bluetooth. So today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this Mazda OEM radio without taking this radio apart for modification or replace it with a new radio. All you got to do is get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio without modifications or a new head unit. Simply connect my device into your car for power, and that's all you have to do. And then you'll get Bluetooth capability right through your factory radio without any sort of modification or a new head unit. Let me show you how it's done. It's very easy. All you got to do is set your car radio, turn on your car, set your car radio to 87.9. So we'll turn on the radio. We'll set it to 87.9. And you'll hear that there's nothing but static. So now we're going to integrate this GPS, this Bluetooth navigation, this Bluetooth capability to this OEM radio simply by connecting my device to the car.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
Press the button for music. That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this OEM factory radio. All you got to do is plug it in for power. That's it. Let me show you. So once we plug it in, we're set. We're done. Next time when you get in the car, you turn on the ignition. You'll hear.
Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Mazda OEM factory radio from 2005, Mazda 5. Now, all you got to do is press this button to hear the music. You'll be able to hear your music loud and clear without hissing or static. Additionally, you'll be able to talk hands-free, so when the phone call comes in, just press this button to answer the call. Your call will come in crystal clear, static-free. And once you're done with the conversation, press this button again. The music will resume. Best of all, you'll be able to integrate GPS navigation functionality to this old radio. You can add GPS navigation by using Waze or any app, GPS app that you prefer. Simply fire Waze and you'll be able to get your real-time traffic through Waze, loud and clear from your car, from your phone, right through your car sound system. So you'll be able to stream music, listen to your music, stream music, news, radio, and anything you want to listen to. And when the phone call comes in, you can press the button and you'll be able to talk hands-free. Best of all, you'll be able to enjoy GPS navigation instructions through your car speakers as you enjoy streaming music from your car. So essentially, the Gizmo Guy Gadget will turn your old car into a smart car. You can make any car smart by integrating with your new smartphone, and you'll be able to enjoy all your smartphone features through your OEM sound system without new head units or any sort of modification to your existing system. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can integrate GPS function through this Mazda 5 factory radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Power on.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.